Well, no summer weather today. In fact, more winter-like than we've had for a while. The cold temperatures, and then, boy, that mess to the south.
Oh, I'll tell you, we've had some good luck today, honestly, because it could be so much worse. Some of you under this winter weather advisory, this would be Bloomington, Columbus on south this morning. In fact, let me zoom in here. We've still got a little bit of snow falling around North Vernon and then down south of Seymour around Austin, Henryville, Scottsburg. And I'll tell you the problem with this and why this is going to probably be left in place until 8 o'clock this morning is because so many of you saw the snow earlier this morning or had snow earlier this morning, and it is way too cold not to refreeze. So a lot of these county roads are not going to be in good shape this morning. In the meantime, look at this. This is ice. Lexington, Nashville, an ice storm warning around Memphis, Tennessee. And you'll notice these ice storm warnings in western Tennessee, portions of Kentucky too. What a mess down there. And we are so fortunate here in Indy that we don't tap into any of that. But don't get me wrong, it is still going to be slick, especially on some of these side roads and sidewalks. And with this snow south and very cold, wind chills, we've got a very wintry day out there. I do think that today's high temperature will probably be the coldest for the next week to 10 days. Again, the winter weather advisory until 8 o'clock. Bloomington, Columbus, Greensburg, basically everything south of Johnson County, the Greenwood, Franklin area this morning. And temperatures are really cold. 23 in Bedford, Indy's at 16. Lafayette now has dropped to 7. So you guys in Tippecanoe County are tapping into some very cold air. So cold that the wind chill this morning is 3 below 0. Over in Lafayette, it's 3 in Indy. It is 0 in Kokomo. Again, we've got these school delays crawling at the bottom of your screen. Many of these are the same that were on a 2-hour delay yesterday. So here it is. Read it and weep. We don't even get to 20 degrees until about 10 o'clock today. And then later on, a high only in the mid-20s. And again, despite the fact that these days are getting a little bit longer, sunset now at 6:03, it's still going to be cold, not enough situation here to be warmed up. Look at the ice storm totals. We're talking about the potential, especially in Memphis here, of a ½ an inch to just under an inch of ice. What that will do to power lines, man, that's a real problem. But the Arctic blast continues to flow here. Things will even out a little bit as we move into the next couple of days, get cold again, and then this warmer wedge of air moves in here for Saturday, which is a good thing. In the meantime, high pressure really defining the weather today. We're not ruling out a stray burst of snow today in the southern counties, but for the most part, high pressure is keeping us cool and clear today. Cool at only 25 and 15 degrees tonight. I think we'll see single-digit wind chills this evening. 31 Wednesday, back up to 40 Thursday. The outlier is Friday, but we do warm up all the way, Lindsay, to 47 Sunday, which will feel like Tahiti around here compared to today's weather.